Hi, I'm Chef Ananya Banerjee and today I'm making one of world's most popular snacks, chicken shawarma. And वो भी घर पे कैसे बनाते हैं? Let's do it. For that you need chicken and you need to marinate the chicken. Some dahi, some garlic paste, some lemon juice, turmeric powder, jeera powder, dhania powder, red chili powder. Then comes sumac. It is a souring agent. If you don't have sumac, you can use anardana powder, thoda sa dalchini powder and shawarma masala. You don't have shawarma masala, use any tandoori masala which is locally available in the market. Salt to taste and then goes in the chicken. I'm using chicken legs because it will be more tender and juicy when you wrap it in the pita bread. This should be marinated and kept in the refrigerator 4 to 5 hours or overnight. So the chicken is marinated. Now heat up the pan and roast it. Some olive oil goes in first in that pan. The chicken is roasted perfectly. It can go into the chopping board and I'll cut it up. Oh, it's cooked so beautifully. तो क्या हुआ अगर आपके पास वो shawarma बनाने का मशीन नहीं है तो आप घर पे भी बना सकते हो. So the filling of shawarma is ready. So take pita bread, then take some sriracha mayonnaise and some garlic sauce. Then some pickled wheat and carrots. If you like spicy, like what I add a bit of pickled chilli also. Then your prepared chicken. So add your chicken bits. Give it a good roll. Put it in a butter paper. Chicken shawarma for you, homemade. If you like this video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.